Hey everyone, this is David, and I'm going to give you a quick introduction to what we have available for you now at Musicians Guild. I'm signing in as Ben Garcia, a fictitious college music teacher and conductor of our mythical Cabrillo Community Orchestra. Let's take a quick tour of his Musicians Guild account. The homepage provides a summary feed of everything happening in Ben's musical life. To the right of the feed, you'll find his connections, groups, and upcoming events. Groups are where most of the action happens. You can see Ben is a member of 4 groups, 2 performance groups, and 2 music educator groups. Let's take a look at his orchestra. Ben's orchestra is managed in a private group. Only members have access to the content and discussions. Ben is the group owner, so he can easily invite new members to the group, even ensemble members who are not yet registered on Musicians Guild. Notice the similar layout to the homepage? Most of our pages have a feed on the left and several useful sections on the right. The feed is the main area of collaboration. You can easily post messages to the group, share images, videos, audio, and even post PDF and Word docs. You can play videos directly from the feed, as well as MP3 and WAV files. Files can be opened in a new tab or downloaded. Group members are displayed in the top right section, so their profiles are just a click away. Members of a group are not automatically connected with each other, but it's easy to request a connection from the member's profile. When members are connected, you can easily invite them into groups and events, but another benefit is our real-time chat tool. When your connections are online, you can chat, share your screen, and even send them files. Chat is only available for your direct connections. Upcoming events for this group are listed in this section. We'll take a look at an event in just a moment. The song list is visible to all members of the group. Each name is a link to the music library item for that song. On the group page, it provides a great way for the leader to share sheet music and performance examples for all of the songs to be played in a season or a semester. The song detail provides links to one or more media items. This could be videos, audio, sheet music, lyrics, related files, or even a cloud storage folder like Dropbox where larger collections of materials can be kept together. We'll take a look at the library a little later. Let's check out an event. Events are designed to manage the details associated with rehearsals, performances, auditions, recording sessions, and other musical events. The header provides a summary of the event, along with detailed information about the venue and schedule. Events can be easily added to your personal calendars. Availability can be tracked by the event leader. It's easy to see who is confirmed and see which members have not even opened their email yet. The song list for events is similar to the one on the group. In this case, it represents the songs to be played at this particular event. You may have noticed the play button. Many musicians like to listen to reference materials for mental practice, playing along, memorization, or simply to enjoy great music. We made this easy by turning the song list into a playlist. Not all of the songs will link to playable items. If a song does provide links to YouTube videos or MP3s, they will show up and play in the order listed. Of course, you're able to skip songs and play them again as you would expect. Most musicians store content in many different places: on their hard drives, in Dropbox folders, on YouTube, SoundCloud, and Google Drive. The library is designed to organize all of your digital music content in a searchable database with all of the links for a song in one location, even if the content isn't. Remember the video and audio posts in the group feed? When someone posts audio in the feed, wouldn't it be great if you could just add it directly to your library? Just click on the red button. Fill out the rest of the information the way you want it to read and save. Note that you're not making a copy. You're only copying the URL for that item. Well, that was a lot to cover, and believe me, we just scratched the surface. The best way to learn the app is to use it. Sign up for Musicians Guild today and get all your ensemble members to sign up as well. It's free. And in minutes, you can get your group organized and let us take care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on the music. Thanks for watching.